Tired of manually typing data from images into Excel? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to converting image data into usable Excel spreadsheets, saving you time and eliminating tedious typing. First, let's explore OCR software. Many paid options, like Adobe Acrobat Pro, have built-in optical character recognition. Open your image in the program. Then look for an export or recognize text function. The software will analyze your image and attempt to convert the text and numbers into editable data. Next up, free online OCR tools. Search for online OCR converter and choose a reputable site. Be cautious about uploading sensitive data. Upload your image and select the output format as Excel or XLSX. The site will process the image and provide a downloadable Excel file. Once you have your converted file, open it in Excel. Review the data carefully. OCR isn't always perfect. Correct any errors and format the data as needed, things like dates or accuracy. Finally, the manual transcription method. Open the image beside Excel and simply type the data in yourself. While this takes longer, it offers the highest accuracy. If OCR is failing, remember to organize your data into columns and rows for easy analysis. And there you have it. Whether you choose OCR software, online tools, or manual transcription, you can now convert images to Excel data with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel hacks.